Hey guys, we're in my friend's garage looking today at the Liftmaster 1/2 horsepower Liftmaster screwdriver garage door opener, as you can see. But I really want to show you the safety sensors. But first off, before I run this, I'll show you the light button. That's a light. Now the garage door is open, and I want to see if the safety sensors are working. As you can see, the lights are working. And now let's try the safety sensors one more time. As you can see, there is no light cover. There's the outside view.
Pretty exciting.
Really excitement. What an excitement. Okay, now let's go ahead and close the garage door. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really nice screwdriver. It's kind of smooth. Now let's run this screwdriver opener one last time, okay? So you can see the screw is spinning fast. Woo! That's my mom and my dad's car. Okay, now let's go ahead and shut the garage one last time in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shut the garage. Woohoo, really nice garage door opener. Yeah, I know you guys seen those weird looking light bulbs in here, as you can see. Alright guys, thanks for watching that video about the Liftmaster screwdriver garage door opener. I'll publish this video on YouTube. Check back soon, and don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel. I'm sorry that I haven't made a garage door opener video in a long time. And take care, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe for my channel. Goodbye.